Today, I am reviewing the VIOFO A329S 4K 60 FPS dashcam. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Having spent the last several weeks testing the VIOFO A329S dual dashcam system, I can confidently say that this is a definitive shift in the landscape of automotive security. For a long time, we have had to choose between high resolution and high frame rates, but this unit finally bridges that gap by offering 4K at 60 frames per second on the front camera. When you are traveling at highway speeds, that extra frame rate is not just a luxury. It is the difference between a blurry mess and a crystal clear frame where you can actually read the license plate of a car passing in the opposite direction. The image quality is driven by dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, which are the current gold standard for low-light performance. The front camera uses the IMX678, while the rear uses the IMX675. What I noticed immediately during night drives is how the A329S handles the extreme contrast of bright headlights against a dark road. Most cameras blow out those bright spots, making plates unreadable, but the HDR implementation here is incredibly balanced. It manages to pull detail out of the shadows without sacrificing the clarity of the illuminated areas. Even the rear 2K camera holds its own, providing a massive dynamic range that captures the world behind you with surprising sharpness. One of the most innovative features of this model is the support for an external SSD of up to 4 terabytes. This is a massive leap forward from the days of being limited to small MicroSD cards that burn out after a few months of constant overwriting. If you are a long-haul driver or someone who goes on multi-week road trips, being able to store nearly a month of continuous 4K footage is a game changer. You no longer have to worry about vital evidence being overwritten before you have a chance to back it up. Speaking of backups, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 technology makes a world of difference. I was able to download a 1-minute 4K clip to my phone in less than 10 seconds. In an emergency situation on the side of the road, that speed is invaluable. The installation process was surprisingly refined. VIOFO has moved to a super slim 2.8mm coaxial cable for the rear camera. This makes it so much easier to tuck into the headliner of the car without leaving a visible bulge, and the miniature connectors mean you don't have to drill massive holes or struggle with tight corners. I also appreciated that the coaxial design prevents electromagnetic interference with the car's radio or GPS systems, which is a common headache with cheaper dash cams. For those concerned about their vehicle while it is parked, the impact detection power-saving mode is a standout. Using the required hardwire kit, the camera stays in an ultra-low power state that won't drain your car battery, but wakes up instantly if a collision is detected. It gives you that silent sentry feeling without the anxiety of coming back to a dead car. On the road, the hands-free voice control worked flawlessly. Being able to say, lock the video, or take a photo without taking my hands off the wheel or my eyes off the road is a huge safety benefit. The built-in GPS is also highly accurate, pulling data from 4 different satellite systems to ensure your speed and location are logged with precision. The inclusion of a circular polarizing lens in the box is a thoughtful touch. It effectively cuts down on dashboard reflections and glare from the windshield, which significantly boosts the contrast of your daytime footage. Everything about the VIOFO A329S feels intentional and over-engineered in the best way possible. It is a premium, high-performance tool that offers total peace of mind through superior technology. If you're looking for the absolute best in video evidence and storage capacity, this is currently the setup to beat. It provides a level of detail and reliability that makes it a must-have for any serious driver.